Say goodbye to the very short-lived Tab Ultra C and say hello to the Note Air 3. This has, much like the Tab Ultra C, has a 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 color e-paper screen, 2480 by 1860, 300 ppi in black and white, and 150 ppi in color. This has an octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs on board, and runs Android 12. The Tab Ultra C was technically an eink PC, they called it, a tablet PC. This is an eink tablet, so they're not calling it a PC. So we have a very hard cardstock with a very thick foam, dense insert. I love that. And we're putting this off to the side for now. We're going to check the rest of the box. I don't know what kind of pen they're using. Please, I hope they're using a new pen. We need them to bring back the Air pen from the Nova Air 2? Something like that. It was really nice. Warranty card and 3 series information guide. We should have a USB-C cable inside here, like so. Right there with a SD card removal tool. I was going to say SIM card. And we have USB-C. And what kind of pen? Please give me something. Give me something. Nope, this is just the Pen 2 Plus. So unfortunately, this is not the Pen Pro. It's the Pen Plus or the Pen 2 Plus. You can call it either one. You might be asking, how is this different than the Tab Ultra C? It's not really. It's really a lot of the same specs, and we'll get into that during the full review. This is a Kaleido 3 screen. It has this very nice contrasting kind of signature orange stripe. It does say Note Air 3. This is part of the Note Air series. You will see that it does leave a lot of fingerprints on the back. You'll see right down there. And we do alcohol our hands, palms, and fingertips prior to every shoot, but you will see how kind of much it leaves. Now, we do need to see one thing, and that is how heavy this is, because compared to other devices, we need to see exactly where this sits. This is 436, and for frame of reference, an average e-reader is about 200. So we're going to do a first-time boot up. We will just show you what is all going on. Where's the power button on this guy? I actually don't know. There it is. Power button up top. We have speaker on the side, other speaker on the side, and nice kind of bordered USB-C port right there next to the SD card slot. You have nothing on that side, nothing on the bottom, and just the power button on the top, as we said. So yes, let's turn it on. So as you can see, you do have your sidebar with your apps, with your storage, with your notes, and yes, it is in full color. And yes, out of the box without doing anything, Google Play is there. And I believe if you go over to here and go to app management, there will be some GSFID stuff, Google framework information, and it doesn't have it this time around. That is very interesting. So it looks like they have found a way to actually put it hard-coded into the unit itself, or they don't allow you to enable or disable GSFID. Either way, it's right there. Look, guys, we understand this is getting a little bit convoluted. They have so many devices under their belts. We're trying our best to kind of comb through the information and kind of cater it and just streamline everything to an understanding as best we can. But this, everyone, is the Onyx Boox Note Air 3C. Yes, try to remember that. This is everything that comes in the box. Feel free to drop us a line and stay tuned for the full review.